Hi, this is Chef Kaz, and today we're going to be making cream cheese stuffed chicken with sun-dried tomatoes and red wine. This is true nutritional dining and a great dish to make with a special somebody on an evening at home. So the first thing you're going to do is thin slice your chicken breast. This is going to make it really easy to squeeze stuff inside of it and roll it up. So you're going to take a half a cup of cream cheese, a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes chopped up, and a quarter cup of roasted garlic paste, and just mash those all together. It's better to do it with a fork so that the cream cheese holds its consistency better, and that way it doesn't all melt and dissolve in the oven. You're going to take this, put it right in the center of your chicken breast, towards the edge, and towards the center of the chicken breast and towards the edge. You want to basically squeeze the chicken breast around it so that it'll hold together, and make sure that you roll the chicken breast over itself. You want to have your pan already hot, spray with olive oil, toss the chicken right in the pan to sear the outside of that chicken and lock in the shape and hold in the cream cheese sun-dried tomato mixture. Rotate the chicken in the pan so that each side it gets cooked as you go, especially where there is an overlap of the two pieces, the two folds of the chicken coming together. This will hold the chicken together even after it's done cooking. You're going to have a roasting pan ready and already hot in your oven at 400 degrees, and you're going to pull that out when it's at temperature, spray it with a little bit of olive oil spray, and take your chicken and sit it right on the pan. Let that cook in the oven for 25 minutes. In the same pan you cook your chicken, you're going to cook up your vegetables. I'm using green peppers, sauteed onions, red cabbage, and tomatoes. Toss these together. Get a nice consistency, some crispy, but not too cooked. You don't want your vegetables to be soggy. A little bit of olive oil, seasonings, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, some fresh herbs. This is going to be the bottom of your plate. Then you're going to take half a cup of red wine and reduce this slowly, consistently stirring it so that it doesn't burn. And you're going to add 2 tablespoons of a balsamic reduction. All that is balsamic reduced in the same way we're reducing the red wine now. You can see what the consistency looks like, very thick, like a thick molasses. You're going to add that into your red wine, and you're going to cook the red wine reduction down to the same consistency that you just saw with the balsamic reduction. After 25 minutes, I'm going to pull out my chicken, and you're going to put that right on top of the vegetables on your plate, coat it with the red wine sauce, and you're ready to serve.